Welcome to the session on logic gates. Please do like and share this video. Logic gates are the fundamental building blocks of digital systems. These are basically electronic circuits made up of a number of components like transistors, resistors, etc. These gates are available as the integrated circuits or the ICs. The name logic gates is derived from the ability of such devices to make decisions. That is, they can produce different outputs with the different input combinations. There are three basic gates, namely AND gate, OR gate, and the NOT gate. These are called basic gates because logic circuits of any complexity can be realized using just three gates. Now let's try to know more about these gates in detail. AND gate. This shows the logic symbol of an AND gate with A and B as the inputs. This gate has a single output Y. The AND operation is denoted by a dot, or we use no symbol at all. Hence, output Y is denoted as Y equal to A dot B or Y equal to AB. This is the truth table of the AND gate. As you all know, a truth table shows the outputs for all the possible combinations of the input. In the case of AND gate, output is 1 if and only if all its inputs are 1 or high. That is, if any of its inputs is a 0, the output will be 0. Hence, the AND gate is also known as the all or nothing gate, which means the input has to be all 1. Then only you'll get an output corresponding to 1, or else you get 0 or nothing. Here from the truth table, when A and B both are 0, output Y equal to 0. When the input combinations are 0, 1, output is again 0. Again here when inputs are 1, 0, the output is 0. And finally when both the inputs are 1 or high, the output is a 1. The next basic gate is the OR gate. This is the logic symbol of the OR gate with two inputs A and B. The output Y is denoted by Y equal to A plus B, where plus denotes the logical OR operation. If we observe the truth table, we can see that output of an OR gate is 1 when any of its inputs is a 1 or when all of the inputs are 1. Hence, this OR gate is also called any or all gate. Next basic gate is the NOT gate. This is the logic symbol of the NOT gate. It has one input A and one output Y. And the output Y will be always a complement of its input A. Therefore, this gate is also known as an inverter gate. The output of a NOT gate is given by Y equal to A complement or Y equal to A bar. This is the truth table of the NOT gate. When the input A is 0, output Y equal to 1. When the input is 1, the output is its complement, which is 0. Thus, the NOT gate inverts or complements its input. So far, we have seen the basic gates. And the logic circuits which use these three gates only are called the AND or invert logic. That is the AOI logic circuits.